Hi guys, welcome to Trinity Stamps product close-up video. My name is Kelly Fusco, also known as the Sunshine Crafter. Today I'm going to be showing you a product close-up of Trinity Stamps Jingle All the Way stamp. This is a, let's see, a 4x3 stamp set. The image itself, when you stamp it out, is about 3 3/4 lengthwise, and it is about about almost 3 inches wide. Now this is a great stamp set to color in and to emboss, and there's so many different ways to use this stamp, and it's such a fun image to color. I'm going to show you what it looks like stamped. This is what the image looks like stamped on white cardstock. There's another one. Now I have a bunch of examples to show you. Here we go. Here's one. This is one that I did an emboss resist on, and I added a little white gouache in there and did a little ombre and added some shimmer. Let's see if you can see that. And I colored this in with a liquid chrome pen, the ornament. So there's and then I added some gems, and this was a distress oxide background. So there's that example. And then my next one, I didn't finish the card, but I colored this in with, what was it? Sakura Jelly Roll pens, and I did different colors to make it look, you know, just a non-traditional colors for Christmas. What I'm going to wind up doing is I'm going to put some glossy accents over this to really make it pop. Just hadn't finished it yet. There's that one. Now here's another one. I gold embossed it, and on black watercolor paper. It's my first time using the black watercolor paper, and I used watercolor in, what is it, the pearl, like the gold watercolor, the Gansai Tambi, that's it, Gansai Tambi pearlescent watercolors on black watercolor cardstock, and I used that and colored those in. I added some Trinity Stamps gold baubles here, and I mounted that on a embossed background. So there's that example. Now here's another one where I did the same colors as earlier. Don't mind my fingers, I got very inky. And this one, just to add a little interest to the background, I used my Score Pal, and I just made some lines in it, and I sprayed it with some shimmer spray. And I used Trinity Stamps Bubble Bath here, just to give it some shine. There's that, see? And I added some Spectrum Noir in the letters. I hope you can see that shimmer on there. It's real pretty. And my last example, at least my completed card, is this one where I colored it in and I mounted it on some silver alcohol Yupo paper, some silver cardstock there, and I added glossy accents. You can see that there. And I used the chrome pen again for some shine in those circles. Here's another one I didn't finish. This I gold embossed on black, and I started coloring it, but I didn't finish it yet. I might leave it plain, I'm not sure yet. And here's another one I didn't finish, and I white heat embossed on top of a oxide background. So that's my examples. I have quite a few here. So that is Jingle All the Way from Trinity Stamps, and it was designed by Dani. Love Dani. She did the lettering on this, and that's it. If you get a chance, please check out Trinity Stamps blog, Instagram TV, and Facebook group for more design team inspiration. Thanks so much for stopping by. Have a great day. Stay safe, stay happy, and stay crafty. Bye-bye.